Okay, here you can see the parts for the quadcopter, and I am getting ready to assemble the quadcopter, and at the end of the project I'm going to do a demo outside. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started assembling this. Okay, now I'm going to, I just turned on the remote control, and I have the quadcopter here, and I'm going to turn the motors. You can see as I push this forward, it turns the motors right here, and that is it. So we have done our calibrations and the motors are all working. Okay, so here is the finished product. This is the quadcopter that I put together. You can see the 4 propellers on all the sides here, and we're going to go ahead and test drive this outside tomorrow morning and see how it goes. And before that, I'm going to register this drone with the FAA. So let's go register it now, and then tomorrow we'll take a look and see how this flies. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Okay, well, the propeller fell off and that was no good. Okay, let's push it. This needs to go. Okay.